Kiddie Vike cooks with Ocean Brooks. Kiddie Vike cooks with Ocean Brooks. Kiddie Vike cooks with Ocean Brooks.
That's me!
Hello and welcome to Kiddie Vike Cooks. My name's Craig and this is my glamorous assistant.
Ocean!
Today we're going to show you how to make some pancakes. So let's get to it. Yeah!
Ask a bigger Viking for help. Half a cup of flour. 1.5 cups of milk. A pinch of salt. And 2 eggs. Mix everything together. Melt some butter in a pan. Add a spoonful of batter to the pan. Cook for several minutes. Till golden on both sides. Continue to cook till all the batter is gone. Remove from the heat and add your favourite toppings. I like berries and honey. Do not share with grown-ups. Keep them all for yourself.
So that's it. That's your pancakes. Hope you like Ocean's recipe and we'll see you next time. Bye!
Good.